All right, happy Easter, Edison.
Happy Easter.
Can you tell me what are you working on these days?
I'm working on these rabbits that would run away from you, and you're trying to catch them.
So those are rabbits.
I used EQS.
What's this?
Um, these dots, we call them objects
Okay.
or items. Yeah, items. And so the rabbits would find one of these dots best suited for them to hide and hide from me, the
Okay.
character.
So the rabbit keeps running away from you.
Yes.
Would they stop?
Well, when I stop.
Okay.
See, they look at me to see what I will do.
Let's take a closer look.
Sometimes you can't find them.
Because they're a very good hider, right?
Yeah.
Here they are. Those are very huge rabbits.
Yeah. Very big.
All right, happy Easter.
Happy Easter.